Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are preparing 3 delightful dishes for your bento box. Miso Stir-Fried Pork, carrot with Bonito Flakes, and broccoli with Mayonnaise and Shichimi. These dishes are not only simple to make but also add a beautiful splash of color to your meal. So let's start cooking! First, let's cut the broccoli. Instead of cutting from the leaves, cut from the stem for a neat presentation. Next, julienne the carrots. We're using julienne slicer for this. For any carrots that can't be julienne, use a knife to cut them. We will cook all the dishes in this small frying pan, perfect for making just the right amount for a bento box. Add water and salt to frying pan and bring it to a boil. Once the water boils, add the carrot and boil for 1 minute. After 1 minute, drain the water. If they're a bit hard, adjust the boiling time accordingly. Add Bonito Flakes and soy sauce to the well-drained carrot and mix well. That's the first dish done. Next, let's boil the broccoli. Use the same small frying pan, add water and salt, and bring to a boil. When the water boils, add the broccoli and boil for 1.5 minutes. After 1.5 minutes, drain the water. We mixed it directly, but it's better to lay it on a paper towel first to remove excess water. Mix the well-drained broccoli with mayonnaise and shichimi togarashi. Now the second dish is ready. Lastly, let's cook the meat. We're using a pork belly, but loin would also be delicious. In a bowl, mix miso, sake, and ginger, then coat the pork in this mixture. Heat salad oil in a frying pan and add the pork, cooking until both sides are nicely browned. Once both sides are well cooked, the third dish is complete. Now let's pack the bento box. Start with the rice, then add the stewed broccoli. Follow with the meat and carrot, and finish with your favorite furikake if you like. Eating a little bit of everything ultimately creates a delightful combination of flavors in this delicious bento. Let's look over what we used today. Thank you so much for watching our bento box tutorial. We hope you enjoyed this episode and feel inspired to create your own delicious and colorful bento meals. If you try out these recipes, we'd love to hear about your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty Japanese cooking tips and tricks. Your support means a lot to us and helps us bring more great content to you. Until next time, happy cooking and enjoy your homemade bento box. Bye bye!